What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Nelson. Today I'm back in my TSX. I got my dog with me.
Ready to go? Huh? You ready to go?
Today we're going to be talking about money spent on YouTube. Let's go for a drive. She sounds good. My family car isn't as clean as all my other cars are. You know, I got kids, I got dogs, we're always traveling around. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel, just know from $500 up to $5,000 to a couple people about the money that they've spent on their YouTube channel. It is just insane. And I wanted to be the complete opposite of that. For example, every investment I make on my channel, whether it's equipment or audio, comes more problems. How do you work these different things? And it's all a learning process, whether you have brand new equipment or you have old equipment or you're using exactly the same stuff. You have to learn, you have to change, and you have to adapt. And adapting is something that I found out that I'm not very good at. Oh, my sunroof is exact same time. If you're in it for the long run, then okay, you know. But most of these people that I've talked to, they have a year into YouTube and they spent like $5,000. And how do you spend $5,000? Well, on a car. Awesome. But I mean, they're paying that car off. Oh, their cameras, you know, they want to shoot those 4K videos, want to have the best audio. Pretty easy to spend $5,000 on a YouTube channel. Now me, I'm a son of a thing when it comes to money. It's just the way I am because of my work. I'm running my YouTube account kind of like a business, at least business type mentality. Very tough running a car dealership, running it, owning it, buying, selling, working on the cars. And that's why I am the way I am. I started my channel, started my walk around videos with my phone, a GoPro, and then I ended up buying an iPad. It's about $600 into YouTube. And the same thing, my first year, ton of research trying to figure out what editing software I was going to use. Pad itself cost me $300, and it's a great investment because I can run my website, I can run all my social medias, I can run, you know, all my Amazon accounts, everything. And I just started my Amazon affiliate, so I'm going to be linking a bunch of stuff on all my videos. And if you want to support me, click on those links and, you know, buy something. It doesn't matter what you buy, really. You can buy something really small, but as long as you click on my link and buy something within half an hour, I think I get a small commission. So that's pretty cool if you're looking for something. Like $700 on my YouTube account, on my cameras. Bought a couple other attachments. The mount I'm using right here for the GoPro, that was $20. And I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can buy it if you guys are interested in it. Love it. You can even use it on the outside of the car. I haven't done it yet because I haven't bought a tether. That way I don't lose my GoPro. That's a $300 GoPro. And I don't want to lose it. Make money in my YouTube account before I spend any more money. And that's why my YouTube account is not the best, not the greatest. Pretty simple, the edits are simple, and you get a lot of me. The thing about me, I rather put time into certain things than money. My time is the most expensive part of my channel. Oh, I have the GoPro 7. I do want to get the GoPro 9 and have two GoPros running at the same time. I upgrade in my equipment. What happens is I'm gonna have, first of all, two GoPros that I gotta manage now. That means batteries and also discs, twice as much content, because if this GoPro runs for 10 minutes, that one in the back runs for another 10 minutes. That's 20 minutes of content. So I'm gonna have double the content that I gotta go through. Gotta have an approach to all this stuff. So same thing with audio, ASMR. I'm really interested in getting that. That would be so sick. That would be so sick. Thing that I gotta make a couple dollars first before I start investing money into this account. Your guys' support would be amazing. Experience working at the dealership. That's why I'm this way. That's why I don't spend a whole lot of money, because I want to earn money before I spend it. I have to make things work. My dealership, I don't have all the equipment that I need. For example, it took me 3 months to buy one Milwaukee light because I told my dad, this is 3 times more expensive than all the other lights, but I'm hoping it lasts us 3 times longer. Really good equipment. I'm improving every single time, but it takes time. And I'd rather spend the time than spend the money. The exact same thing with my channel. It's a learning process, and you have to learn to work with what you got. That sounds crazy to some, but it makes 100% sense to me. You're staying safe. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Check out my affiliate links because I'm gonna be selling my Milwaukee tools that I use every single day. That light bar, oh, I'm super excited about it.
I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you.